There's a battle over your personal information. The Department of Justice asked Pennsylvania for information about voters. Channel 11's Talia Kirkland spoke with an expert who says nothing has to exchange hands.
Last week, the Department of Justice asked Pennsylvania to release its voter registration list. Pennsylvania said no. Today, we are taking a closer look at the battle between state and federal government.
The first thing to know is that the Department of Justice and the White House, the executive branch, do not run elections in this country.
According to the Constitution, U.S. elections are run by local and state officials, not the federal government. That's partly why Pennsylvania didn't turn over its voter registration information. University of Pittsburgh law professor Jesse Allen called the request unusual and explained in Pennsylvania the election administration is bipartisan and the voter registration list is already public. Only certain information is withheld. Anyone can look up voter ID numbers, a person's name, address, date of birth, and sex, when they registered, where and when they voted, and if the registration is active, also the registered party. What's not public is your driver's license and social security numbers, the information the federal government now wants.
But to collect the social security number and driver's license number of every voter in the state of Pennsylvania with no legal authorization? No.
We spoke with voters who said they trust their local government to run fair elections, and they don't think the federal government should get involved unless there's a real concern.
We want to be able to protect our voters as much as possible and make sure that if they are collecting information, it's used for the best of society, not just for their own personal gain.
I think that they are relatively secure as of right now, but I think that this would make them pretty insecure.
According to the Department of Justice, the requests are part of a nationwide effort to monitor compliance with federal laws, including the National Voter Registration Act and the Help America Vote Act. Right now, it's unclear if the federal government will resubmit their request. In Oakland, I'm Talia Kirkland, Channel 11 News.